this video, we're going to see how one can derive the equation of a straight line when given 2 points which lie on the line. So we'll do this through an example. Sketch the line that passes through the points -1, 2 and 2, 4 and find the equation of the line. So we're going to first sketch this line roughly, just to give us a rough idea of what it looks like, and then we will try to find its equation. So we plot the 2 points to draw the line. So this first part is quite straightforward. We just have to plot these 2 points, and then we can draw the line by just drawing a line through the 2 points we've plotted. So the first point is -1, 2, which is here, and the second point is 2, 4, which is here. Hence the line looks like this. So we've got a picture of the line here. Now let's try to find its equation. How can we do that? Well, what do we know about straight line equations? We know that they're of the form y equals mx plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. So in order to write down the equation of a straight line, you just need the gradient and the y-intercept. Once you've found these, you have the equation. So all we know about the line is that these 2 points here lie on it. So we'll start by finding the gradient, because in order to find the gradient, 2 points is exactly what you need, and we have 2 points. So the gradient is m, and if you remember the definition of the gradient, it is the difference between the y-coordinates of 2 points which lie on the line divided by the difference in the x-coordinates. So in this case, that would be 4 minus 2 over 2 plus 1. So the y-coordinate of the second point is 4, and we subtract the y-coordinate of the first point, which is 2, to get 4 minus 2 on the top. And on the bottom, the x-coordinate of the second point is 2, and the x-coordinate of the first point is -1. So we get 2 minus -1, which is 2 plus 1. So we just work this out, and we get 2 over 3. So that's the gradient. Now we need to find the y-intercept. To do this, let's write down the equation of the line. We know that it's y equals 2/3 x plus c. 2/3 x because we just found that 2/3 is the gradient, and then plus c, where c is the y-intercept that we want to find. So what do we know though? We know that this is the equation of the line, and that -1, 2 and 2, 4 lie on the line. So both of these points have to satisfy this equation. Hence, we could sub in either of these 2 points into the equation and then rearrange to find c. Because we know that when x is 2, for instance, y is 4, and when x is -1, y is 2. So let's take this second point here, 2, 4. We're going to sub this into the equation, so we're going to set x equal to 2 and y equal to 4. And then the only unknown will be c, so we just rearrange to find c. So if we sub it in, we get 4 equals 2/3 times 2 plus c. We'll then calculate this bracket, and we get 4 equals 4/3 plus c. So 2 times 2/3 is 4/3. And then we want to get the c by itself, so we just rearrange. We take the 4/3 over to the other side, and we get c equals 4 minus 4/3. I'm then going to write this as 12/3 minus 4/3. So I've written 4 as 12/3, or 12 over 3, so that I have a common denominator. So now I've got 12 over 3 minus 4 over 3, so I just do 12 minus the 4, and I get 8 over 3. So 8/3 is c, so that's the y-intercept. So now I already had the gradient, I now have the y-intercept, so I can write down the equation of the line. So the equation of the line is y equals 2 over 3x plus 8 over 3. So that's how to find the equation of a line when given 2 points which lie on the line. You just find the gradient and you find the y-intercept.